Hello, my name is Jason Vo, and I am the JWSC Capital Projects Manager and your host of The Flow Show. We currently manage around 16 active construction projects at the JWSC. I want to report our progress on 3 of them. The first is the North Main Water Loops construction. Four Waters Engineering Inc. from Jacksonville, Florida designed this project, and Valancourt Construction Company out of Green Cove Springs, Florida is performing the work. The project involves installing a new 10-inch water main crossing Golden Isles Parkway at the intersection of Perry Lane Road and Millennium Boulevard, a 12-inch water line along Bailey Road, Old Jessup Road, and Hatala Drive, a 16-inch water line under 2 water crossings along Old Jessup Road and Highway 17 12-inch water line relocation. In addition, we will be providing water service lines for future tie-ins along the project limits to the underserved communities and strategically place isolation valves for maintenance and safety purposes. The original substantial completion inspection was anticipated for the first week of August 2024. The Valancourt Construction Company has just completed their substantial completion inspection ahead of 5 months. How great is that? Substantial completion in construction is the point where the work is nearly complete. The assets are tested and can be used as intended. By substantially completing this project, Valancourt has assisted the JWSC in achieving the water system upgrades within the North Mainland District, which will significantly improve the water system reliability and efficiency. How did they do it? How was it completed ahead of schedule? I'm so glad you asked. I would say they were clear about their timelines by setting goals with realistic timelines, managed their subcontractors effectively, provided value engineering for project cost savings in time and money, and communicated with all stakeholders. Working with Valancourt on this project was a pleasure, and I hope they will consider doing more work here in the Golden Isles. Next up is the pump station 3101, 4001, and 4002 rehabilitation project. Kimley Horn engineered this project from Jacksonville, Florida, and the contractor is Popco, Inc. from Albany, Georgia, which will be constructing the 3 pump station rehab projects. Pump station 3101, address 293 South Pork Parkway, is in the South Mainland District. Pump station 4001, address 3101 3rd Avenue, and Pump Station 4002, address 1309 Reynolds Street, are in the City of Brunswick District. While normal wear and tear is typical, all pump stations will eventually be due for repairs and replacement. The JWSC is taking proper steps to reduce and eliminate premature deterioration of pump stations, which will save money down the road. The 3 pump station rehab project scope of work primarily includes the following: demolition of existing sewer station equipment and accessories, building repairs, structural repairs, electrical, and SCADA upgrades. The JWC operation team is working with the contractor to provide temporary sewer flow bypassing and to ensure no service interruptions to the surrounding community. These improvements will ensure the station complies, reduces maintenance costs, and provide long-term capacity upgrades to accommodate future growth. The contractor is working on the project submittals and securing materials for the project. The major construction activities at Pump Station 4002 has started, and the construction team is working on the interior demolition, pressure washing, and structural repairs. The contractor is also working on 3101 and 4001 project submittals and securing materials, which they anticipate mobilizing to the project sites by the end of June. Overall, the 3 pump station rehab project is estimated to be completed by the end of August 2024. Finally, there is the Dunbar Creek Water Pollution Control Facility Rehab Project, a progressive design build by Huskey & Bell, a civil engineering firm from Savannah, Georgia, and BRW Construction Group, LLC, a construction company headquartered in Garden City, Georgia. The odor control system and headwork improvement covers are installed and are working effectively to minimize the sewer odors. The aeration basin 1 and 2 are back online, and the air is pumped into the water to encourage bacterial growth. The post-aeration chamber structural modification, electrical, and UV systems are installed for advanced treatment before the water leaves the plant. Advanced treatment means that after the water has been filtered, we perform a high-level disinfection to kill any remaining parasites, bacteria, or virus before the water leaves the treatment plant and enters the waterways. Currently, the contractor is working on constructing the clarifier foundations, the splitter box structural reinforcement, and the piping installation. These structural and piping installations are anticipated to be completed by the end of May, with the mechanical mixtures installed and brought online by the end of August to help the JWSC improve the system capacity at the Dunbar Creek plant. The final steps for the project will include SCADA integration, roadway improvements, and site cleanup. Overall, we want to express our appreciation for all the work that the design and construction team members contribute to the project. We are pleased with the progressive design build approach. The project is on schedule and anticipated to be completed by the end of August 2024. So there you have it. Our three main projects in the field for this quarter are North Main Water Loops construction, Pump Station 3101, 4001, and 4002 rehabilitation project, Dunbar Creek Water Pollution Control Facility Rehab. I hope to see you on the next project updates. Thank you for your time, and know that every day the staff of the JWSC is here to serve you.